Hello and welcome to today's K2 Base video. I am Ronnie and today I will show you how easy it is to plan a project in K2 Base. We are now on the first page of K2 Base and have to enter a location first. I left the number away on purpose to show you how to complete the address by double click on the building. Now you see that the number was added automatically. I could also enter more data on the first page, but this is only optional. I can zoom in a little more and define the area for my project by clicking on Add. We were now led automatically to the second page, which is the loads page. Here everything is about wind and snow, and as we have entered the address precisely before, wind load and snow load areas are automatically defined, and all we have to do is choose the right terrain category. Generally, we find additional information about specific fields behind the question marks. Here we see the different terrain categories, and it might help to jump back to the project page just to have a wider look around the project area, which category we have. If we go back to loads, we can choose area 2/3 for this surrounding we have in this project. Generally, for navigation, you can just click on the names of the pages up here, or you can use the navigation buttons down here. We are now on the roof page and can choose flat roof, rectangle, and for example, single ply membrane. We click on Add and draw the outlines of the roof. It might help to zoom in a little more, which is absolutely possible while drawing. We have now finished our roof and have to type in some additional data. For example, building height, roof pitch, parapet wall height, and friction coefficient. If your building does not exist already on the satellite pictures, you can either use the picture upload function, upload your own image. If you don't have an image, you can just draw the roof in the environment of the satellite picture. We click by using the navigation buttons down here, or we navigate directly by using the sub-page icons. And now we are in the obstacles section because we want to add one rectangular obstacle, which is here. If we have one or more additional similar obstacles, we could use the detect similar obstacles function to automatically add other obstacles. We click on the next page, which is the design page, and define a module either by typing in all the data for a user-defined module or by choosing a module out of the list. The last modules I have used in my recent plannings are always on the top of the list. I choose a mounting system, in this case, east-west elevation with our system DDOM 6.10. I choose the assembly option DDOM Express. I click on Add and draw a module field. If I want, I can move the module field afterwards into another position. And of course, I can adjust the size as well. As you can see, in the area of the obstacles, base automatically creates a gap. If I want to have a larger gap, I can use the rubber deleting function and just click on more modules to remove them. For editing the thermal gaps, which are shown in yellow, I go to the other subpage and can alternate the pattern by just typing in different values for the vertical or for the horizontal separation. And of course, I could also add additional separations manually. Next is we jump to the results page, and here we have a ballastation plan. We see all the ballast values in colored little fields, and we also see that everything is in order. By clicking on the sub pages, we can see the load of on the modules or the static verification, the static values of the mounting system. So let's jump on the last page, summary. Here we see an article list, and we can export this article list as an Excel sheet. We can also export the article list into a wholesaler's web shop. We can generate a static report as PDF. We can export a CAD file. You can use the K2 Plus function to export the project data into different inverter design tools or to different design softwares. You can also export the project data directly to our Docu app, where you can save all the relevant project documentation. And in the end, you can send everything directly by your smartphone to the customer. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and have fun planning with K2 Base. Goodbye.